Venezuela Tanker, there are many world companies now trying to set a long-term business trading tanker ships with Venezuela, some from Switzerland or Europe or Africa, America, Asia, and why not really contact Candina to crew these ships? We can make a nice decision of the flag. For example, Panama is a very friendly flag, for the Venezuelans. Also, we have under Panama flag Panamanian tanker experience. For example, Belgian companies used to have this, and we can either have with Spanish language or with English language, depends the volume of the ships. If we talk about, let's say, 40 tankers for 0 or 50, let's say 5 could be Spanish language, 45 English, and the Panama flag is very friendly also for the other Latin countries around, so we can invest ESG, corporate social responsibility, goodwill, talent, long-term, very nice thing to do, because soon your company, your tanker company, will have a general manager, fleet manager from the local countries, and that will strengthen your ESG, the goodwill of your good company, and the long-term intrinsic value of the personnel, the talent, the promotions, and so on. Therefore, think about Candina. We have had huge experiences with Venezuela Tanker Company for about 60 years, 50 years, many links we have with Venezuela, and whether it is trading north, east, Pacific, also to China. Perhaps they have to bring tank products to China and also to Europe. So think about Candina, because we are your long-term partners. Remember, we, the Basque and the Spanish, always return from America. Others say they were there before. Well, there's no proof that they did return. Thank you. Bye.